everyone. Today we have a classic cocktail for you. Now, a lot of people have a hard time getting into cocktails to begin with. So this one is kind of a nice middle ground because you're going to have some champagne with this one as well. So you're going to get a little bit of that bubbly fizzy, especially if you are a champagne drinker. So for this one, it is going to be a shaken cocktail. I know that's a little confusing, but I promise I'll explain it all. So shaken cocktail, we're going to need our shaker tin. We're going to need our jigger. We are using fresh juice for this one. So I have my Hawthorne strainer and I don't have my mesh strainer. My handy dandy helper is not doing his job apparently. Do, 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 do. Ah, look, a mesh strainer has magically, mystically appeared. All right, you're going to need a mesh strainer as well. You're going to need lemon juice, a little bit of simple syrup. You're going to need your favorite gin. And of course, you are going to need, it's pretty important that you do a brut champagne or a dry champagne with this cocktail. So just keep that in mind. So as always, the ingredient list is listed below. So that way you can make the cocktail with me. So 1/2 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. You're going to do 1 ounce of your favorite gin. As always, my favorite gin tends to be a little bit more citrusy and floral versus junipery. So that is all that we're going to put in the shaker tin. We are going to top with the champagne. So make sure you do not put your champagne in here unless you want to wear it. Just saying. So we are going to fill our shaker tin up with ice, as always, and shake until it is absolutely freezing in our hands. Maybe not quite as far as frostbite. Shake away. All right, nice and cold. You can see it's on the outside of our shaker tin. We've got that fresh juice in here, so make sure you have your mesh strainer and your Hawthorne strainer and the fanciest champagne flutes you can find. And we are going to double strain into our champagne flute. Wonderful. Now, I am a very big fan and believer that recipes will only get you so far. Sometimes you need to let your heart tell you how much champagne to put in. So, in theory, it's supposed to be 3.5 ounces of champagne, but I may go just a little more than that. And then for our garnish, we've got a beautiful, I used to hate making these god-awful lemon twists, but now I'm kind of a rock star at them. So look at that. Beautiful. There's your garnish, and there's your French 75. We don't eat it, buddy, but okay. All right, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, especially if you enjoy making cocktails with me. I hope to see you guys again soon. Until the next pour, cheers.